What are you expecting when it comes to AI in this big name?
Yeah, Court. Well, Microsoft already gave a gift to investors last week, announcing pricing for its AI chatbot, which it's calling Copilot. Now, this will cost enterprise customers an extra $30 per user per month and work with Office apps like Outlook, Teams, and Word. Now, estimates are all over the place, but the potential market is huge. There are hundreds of millions of Microsoft 365 users, but no word yet on when this will be available. Only a small group of Microsoft customers are testing it now. So look for more clarity on Microsoft's earnings call tonight on when they expect to realize sales from Copilot. Another potential AI beneficiary, Azure Cloud. That division's growth has slowed quite a bit over the last year, though the AI boom could spur more demand for cloud services. Analysts expecting Azure Cloud growth of around 25%. That'd be down from 40% growth in the year-ago quarter. A few other things to pay attention to, Court. Foreign exchange is more favorable than it was in the year-ago quarter, thanks to the weakening dollar. And Windows licensing revenue will give a good hint at consumer demand for PCs, which cratered last year after 2 years of a pandemic boost. That segment was down 28% year over year in Microsoft's last earnings report, Court.
Interesting stuff. Thanks for laying the table for us, Steve. Jason, you own Microsoft. Are you obviously expecting a deceleration here in the cloud? And if so, what do you expect to see going forward? Can it reaccelerate, or is that just the trend we're going to see for some time as this market gets bigger and more competitive?
Yeah, and I think some deceleration is somewhat reasonable. I mean, the cloud exploded through the pandemic. I mean, we were seeing 50% year-over-year acceleration numbers. So seeing it at 25%, I think, is reasonable. I think what's interesting, what Steve just mentioned, which I'm really looking forward to seeing how it plays out, is the consumer PC demand. How do those products look like? How are they growing? Because they created over the last 2 years. There was a lot of run up there, so that'll be interesting. And I just think overall, the Copilot, the ChatGPT box, and now making it available on the retail side is going to be interesting. Let's see how that works out. And I do think the dollar weakening will be a tailwind, not necessarily for this quarter, but for the next quarter going forward.
Jim, you own Microsoft as well. What are you hoping to hear?
Nothing surprising is what I'm hoping to hear. I mean, this is apropos of our earlier discussion, Courtney. This is an expensive FANGMA stock. And, what I'm really counting on here is for this just to be a large portion of the S&P 500 as money comes into the S&P 500 and the markets overall over the rest of this year. Microsoft will perform. But I'm not expecting results tonight that will propel it higher after the run that it's had. What I'm hoping is that there's no news that opens up any sort of downside to it. I don't think there will be. In summary, what I'm trying to say is I'm not expecting outperformance here. I'm also not expecting underperformance. This is the market in Microsoft.
You want a vanilla report. No surprises.
Please, not from Microsoft. I got enough surprises elsewhere.
Vanilla, you better get better than vanilla because it's trading at 36 times forward estimates.
Well, but to my point about it being such, and there's a large weight in all the indices.
I know, 7% of the S&P 500.
If money comes into the market, which it will as long as Microsoft doesn't disappoint, then it's going to be fine.
No, I hear you, but I mean, the expectations are quite high, and you can't have plain vanilla with high expectations.
Get some sprinkles in there, okay? Get some sprinkles. Josh, you want to jump in?
Yeah, I have a question for Jim as a purported value investor. I love Microsoft. I love Microsoft, but just let me do my shtick here, and then you can react. It's a 25 times enterprise value to EBITDA multiple right now. It's 12 times enterprise value to revenue. It's 43 enterprise value to free cash flow. It's the second largest stock by market cap on the planet. Every one of those metrics is not just a little bit above the 3, 5, and 10-year median valuation. It's substantially above. The stock is 27% above its 200-day moving average, as extended as I think Microsoft has been in the last 10 years, quite frankly. 5% above the 50, and an RSI of 60, which not quite overbought, but pretty close. Like, what has to happen for this stock to just stay where it is? let alone not fall down 10%. I'm trying to understand it. Maybe I skipped a chapter in Graham and Dodd, and you can help me.
No. Listen, Josh, I think Josh, you know my answer because we've been doing this for 10 years together, which is frankly how long
I just want to make you say it one more time.
You want me to say that? I love you, Josh. No. No, look, I've held it for a long time. It's had different multiples from the time that I bought it to now. But what you also know, Josh, is that I hold this to my disadvantage at about half the overall market weight. Now, let me say that again. That's been a disadvantage this year. If you want to have a stock like Microsoft, about 6.5–7% of the S&P 500, and you're not going to have any position in that, that's one heck of an active bet for a manager that you think Microsoft has a fatal flaw to it. I'm not making that bet. I'm already making enough of a bet at having about half the market weight. I can't go lower than that. It's just too perilous for me as a portfolio manager putting together a portfolio of stocks. Now, Josh, the contrary of this is, you well know I've got overweights in materials, energy, industrials. That's where I'm willing to take my bets, but I'm not going to take an even stronger bet that I'm going to be out of Microsoft just because it's at 35 times earnings.
Fair enough. This is
great answer, Jim.
This is fodder for us to discuss, I'm sure, tomorrow once we actually know some of the results. But we're going to turn now to the Fed. We do have a key rate decision. That is coming tomorrow. In a CNBC Fed survey, we have 47% of people saying that stocks are either somewhat or significantly overpriced for a soft landing. What do you make of that, Stephanie?
We're definitely in a soft landing patch right now. I don't know how long it lasts for because we have to wait to see what the impacts are, the lag effects of all of these rate increases. That being said, I actually took comfort in American Express's conference call about the consumer.